Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can highlight muscles in CapCut PC. So if you got a fitness video or a video of you working out and you want your physique to look absolutely divine and professional, you can highlight your muscles, and here CapCut PC offer powerful tools to make your muscles pop. Now let's just get started. So first you can just add your workout video to the CapCut PC, and then you can go to where you want to highlight your muscles. For example, I'm going to go in here. Then you can just click on this button and go to freeze options. And now duplicate the freeze frame, so you can just drag it like this, or you can also just right click and choose copy, then paste it like this. Okay, so after you do that, you can click on the freeze frame. I'm going to activate the main clip first. Okay, now click on the overlay and you can go to mask, add mask, and in here I'm going to use the pan masking. Now you can just choose which part that you want to highlight. For example, I'm going to go with the arm muscles right here. You can adjust it or just band the area that you want to highlight like this. And now you can right click on the deactivated clip and activate it again. Click on, let's go back to the overlay. And now you can go to adjust, go to the curve, scroll down until you find the green color and drag this bead to the bottom like this, as well as the blue color. So it will become red like this. Now go to the basic option and scroll down. You can increase the saturations to 50, just like this, and you can go back to the masking, click on a video, and here mask. You can add some feather to make the highlight smoother. Add some feather like this, and you can preview it by playing the video. So this will be the result. As you guys can see, this part will be highlighted. You can also do the same trick with the other arms if you want to. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.